So welcome to Health Now TV, and this is my review of BPL Smart Oxy Pulse Oximeter. This is the higher model of the pulse oximeter which comes with the perfusion index. The cheaper model of Oxy pulse oximeters do not have perfusion index feature, which is written out here. So these are specifications. Oxygen saturation measurement range is 35% to 100%. Pulse rate 25 to 250. It has precision for oxygen saturation plus minus 2% in the range of 70% to 100%. It comes with two AAA alkaline batteries. It is a made in India product. So these are some things to note. It comes with a hook. It is waterproof. IP22 water resistant rating is there. These are the storage temperature, humidity and atmospheric pressure under which it can work. So this is the pouch in which the pulse oximeter comes, and this is the user manual. So you have to put your finger completely inside the pulse oximeter for the proper reading. These are the orientations of the display. You have to press the button to change the orientations of the display. These are the readings which come in the pulse oximeter. So number one is symbol of the oxygen saturation. Then measured value of oxygen saturation is number 2. Third is the bar graph. Fourth is the plethysmograph. Fifth is the measured value of pulse rate. Sixth is the perfusion index PI. Seventh is symbol of the pulse rate. And eighth is battery power indication. These are the technical parameters. So the pulse oximeter comes in this very nice pouch which is very sturdy. I have already attached this carrying string which comes along with the pulse oximeter. So as you can see the brand, it is BPL Smart Oxy Pulse Oximeter. This is the button to turn on the pulse oximeter. It runs on two AAA batteries which I have already put in. So as you can see inside, this is the light emitter. So as you can see inside, this is the light emitter and this is the sensor. So when you put your finger out here, the light will pass through this sensor to this sensor, and then the pulse oximeter reading will be displayed on the display which is there. So what I will do, I will press this button to turn on the pulse oximeter. So right now, because my finger is not there, it is not showing any reading. So I will put my finger inside and I will turn on the pulse oximeter. So it will start reading my oxygen saturation, which is SpO2. This is the plethysmograph reading. So right now it is showing my oxygen saturation SpO2 value of 98%. 98, 99, 100% is healthy for healthy individuals. Perfusion index is 7.6. It will take some time to stabilize and it differs from person to person. My pulse rate right now is 82 beats per minute. So if I press this button, readings will remain the same, the orientation will change. This is another way to show the display. So because my oxygen saturation dropped suddenly, maybe because I was moving my fingers a lot, it has started beeping. Now it is fine. You have to keep your fingers steady for it to give a accurate reading. So this is the best way to display the readings according to me. I will put my middle finger inside to see what reading it is giving. As you can see, the light is coming from the below and read by the sensor above. Now it is taking some time to read. It is 99%. So that is totally fine. I will put my... So as you can see, if the device remains inactive for some time, it will turn off. That's a battery saving feature. I will put my thumb inside, turn on the pulse oximeter. Again it is 98%. So this is a good way to measure your oxygen saturation, especially in the times of coronavirus or COVID-19, where the infection is spreading really fast and you want to measure the SpO2 value of your loved ones, especially with comorbidities. Then this will be very helpful. If the oxygen saturation of your family members is dropping, then it's a good time to see your doctors. So thank you for watching the video on Health Now TV. Like and subscribe to keep yourself updated with up-to-date health information.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to Health Now TV and press the bell icon to stay up to date with all latest updates from this channel.